Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking for Body and Soul. Today's recipe is Hyderabadi Mutton Halim. Halim is a popular delicacy of Hyderabadi cuisine. This amazing one-pot dish is perfect for family gatherings. All the ingredients are mentioned here. Before we move on, please subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes. Now let's get started. To a pan add 2 tablespoons of tur dal, 2 tablespoons of masoor dal, 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 2 tablespoons of moong dal, 2 tablespoons of urad dal. Now roast them well for 5 to 10 minutes till you get that nice aroma. Take 200 grams of broken wheat, add it to a mixie jar and grind it coarsely. Wash this and transfer it to a pressure cooker. Add the roasted lentils or dals. Add 4 to 5 glasses of water, half teaspoon of salt. Pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles on medium flame. Heat oil in a kadai. Add 3 tablespoons of cashews. Remove once it turns golden. Now we'll be frying 4 large onions thinly sliced. We are going to deep fry them till they turn golden in color. They have to be nice and crisp. Now keep this aside. To a pressure cooker add 4 tablespoons of oil or ghee. To this add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute this well. This is an important step, please don't skip this. Now add 3 finely chopped tomatoes and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute well till tomatoes turn nice and mushy. Now add 350 grams of boneless mutton. One teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. Give it a good mix. To this add quarter cup of curd, quarter cup of chopped mint leaves, quarter cup of chopped coriander leaves. Give it a stir. And add a glass of water. Pressure cook for 5 whistles or till the mutton is cooked well. If it is still watery, cook this for another 5 minutes. Now mash the mutton well. And this looks perfect. Coming back to our cooked wheat and lentils, I have mashed them a little. Transfer it to a cooking pot. Add the mashed mutton to it. Now add half cup of chopped coriander leaves, half cup of chopped mint leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 3 tablespoons of cooked oil. I have used the oil which I used for frying the onions. Now mix everything well. Till everything gets well combined. Now add 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee. This enhances the flavor of the halim. To this add the fried onions. We are not going to use it at once. Use only 80% of the fried onions. Keep the 20% for garnishing. Mix it again. Now add a glass of water. Now cook on high flame, stirring continuously for about 10 minutes. Keep stirring, otherwise it will stick to the bottom. Now cook on low flame for another 10 minutes. Keep stirring continuously. At this stage, you can also add juice of 1 lime. Now garnish with fried onions, fried cashew nuts, chopped coriander leaves, chopped mint leaves, and our halim is done. So now it's ready to be served. Doesn't it look mouth-watering? Halim is an amazing dish with proper nutritional balance. It is filled with the goodness of wheat, mutton, ghee, and lentils. It is more of a porridge or stew, and it has an amazing flavor which makes it more special. Please do try this recipe and let me know in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Do like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching.